inside? Okay.
Honored guests, children of all ages, welcome, one and all. Before you lift off, please remember to place small children for the inside. Everyone should remain fully seated and buckled underneath the seatbelt throughout the entire flight. To make Dumbo fly higher, lift and hold the lever in the up position. Thank you and enjoy the ride on Dumbo!
To make Dumbo fly higher, you'll just hold the lever up for as long as possible.
Okay, thank you.
This is your ringmaster, Jennifer Mock. Make sure your flights are safe. Be sure to stay seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands and arms and feet and legs tucked. And be sure to watch your hands. Damas y caballeros, para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con el cinturón ajustado y mantengan sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo. Y a los pequeñitos, make Dumbo fly higher. Just raise the magic lever right behind you. Everybody ready? Get ready to take off with the world's only flying elephant, Dumbo!
Please remain fully seated and buckled throughout your entire flight on Dumbo.
Be sure to stay seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And for all your travel friends, be sure to